Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. This car is 2016 Great Wall Haval H6. Today we use K518 Pro to program this car.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro. OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new key produced by our Lonsdor. Plug in OBD. Step 1. Select Generate Smart Key. Find Great Wall. Find Haval H6. Select ID 46 old version. Put the smart key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click to generate. Generated successfully. Back to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Choose Great Wall, Haval. Find H6. Choose a menu for 2013-2018. Smart key. Button type PEPS. Program with working key. Turn on the ignition. Put a programmed smart key below the rear water cup holder. Click OK. Has programmed keys count 1. Need to program the next one. Click OK. Put the new key in the rear cup holder. The number of keys has been programmed 2. Continue to program next one. Click Cancel. Programming complete. Now let's see if the key works. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key started the vehicle successfully. The new key hits the brake and presses the start button. The new key starts the vehicle successfully. Now let's try to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key lock car. Unlock. New key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed smart key for 2016 Great Wall Haval H6. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spread ahead.